Forget everything you think you know about love potions and magic foods. Today, on SciSips, we're cracking the code on aphrodisiacs. Science fact or romantic myth? Can a simple bite truly unlock the secrets of passion? Or are we all just victims of a delicious placebo effect? Have you ever wondered about the mystifying allure of aphrodisiacs? What makes them so captivating and yet so elusive? Let's embark on a journey to demystify the enchanting world of aphrodisiacs. The term aphrodisiac, a word as intriguing as its implications, finds its roots in Greek mythology. Named after Aphrodite, the goddess of love, beauty, and fertility, the aphrodisiac has been an object of fascination and speculation for centuries. From the dawn of civilization, aphrodisiacs have held a significant place in the tapestry of human culture, permeating rituals, traditions, and even the culinary world. Think about it: oysters, chocolate, strawberries. These are not just gastronomic delights. They carry with them a certain allure, a promise of love and intimacy. But the question remains, what exactly are aphrodisiacs? Are they magical love potions or mere figments of our collective imagination? Are they rooted in science or steeped in folklore? Indeed, the world of aphrodisiacs is as fascinating as it is complex. But what is the science behind it? The science of aphrodisiacs is an intriguing blend of chemistry, biology, and psychology. Let's begin with mood boosters. Certain substances are known to stimulate the production of serotonin and dopamine in our brains. These are our feel-good neurotransmitters, playing key roles in pleasure, reward, and mood regulation. For instance, dark chocolate contains phenylethylamine, a compound that can trigger the release of endorphins and serotonin. This, in turn, can elevate mood and potentially increase sexual desire. Next, we venture into the realm of blood flow enhancers. These are substances that can enhance vasodilation, or the widening of blood vessels. This can lead to increased blood flow to certain areas of the body, contributing to arousal. For example, the compound capsaicin, found in spicy foods like chili peppers, is known to stimulate nerve endings on the tongue and skin. This stimulation can trigger the release of endorphins and increase heart rate, mimicking the physiological responses often associated with sexual arousal. Last but not least, we delve into the world of aromatic arousal. Scents can play a powerful role in sexual attraction, a phenomenon that extends beyond our conscious awareness. Certain aromas can stimulate the olfactory system, which is closely linked to the limbic system, the part of the brain responsible for emotion and memory. This can trigger a variety of responses, including desire. For instance, the scent of vanilla has been found to increase feelings of comfort and calm, potentially enhancing feelings of intimacy. However, it's crucial to remember that the effects of these substances can vary greatly from person to person, influenced by a host of factors including individual biology, cultural beliefs, and personal experiences. Moreover, while the mechanisms we've discussed are grounded in scientific understanding, many of the claims surrounding specific aphrodisiacs lack rigorous scientific evidence. While the science is fascinating, it's important to note that not all aphrodisiac claims are backed by scientific evidence. Sometimes the most powerful aphrodisiac isn't a substance but a belief. The placebo effect is a fascinating phenomenon where our minds can manipulate our bodies based on our expectations. This is especially true when it comes to sexual desire and performance. Our beliefs, whether they're about a particular food, scent, or even a pill, can trigger physiological responses that can either enhance or diminish our sexual drives. For instance, if one firmly believes that a certain food heightens their sexual desire, their body might respond to this belief by increasing blood flow or releasing hormones, thereby intensifying their libido. On the flip side, if one is convinced that a particular substance hampers their sexual performance, their body might react accordingly, leading to a self-fulfilling prophecy of sorts. Debunking myths and misconceptions about aphrodisiacs is crucial for this very reason. The mind is a powerful tool, and its influence on our sexual health should not be underestimated. Here are a few intriguing tidbits about aphrodisiacs. Caviar kiss. Forget champagne and strawberries. The ancient Romans believed that kissing a woman who had just consumed caviar was a potent aphrodisiac. While the science behind this is questionable, it certainly adds a luxurious twist to date night. Moonstruck love. In some cultures, including ancient China and Persia, the phases of the moon were believed to influence love and desire. Full moons in particular were associated with heightened passion, leading to the consumption of moon foods, like oysters and watermelons, for an extra romantic boost. Chocolate craze. We all know chocolate gets a reputation as an aphrodisiac, but did you know the Aztecs called it xocoatl, which translates to food of the gods? They even used it as currency and believed it possessed aphrodisiac properties. While modern research is inconclusive, the cultural belief in its power might contribute to its romantic allure. Love potion mishap. Forget love potions. In ancient Egypt, they used love spells involving onions and leeks. However, these spells were often intended to deter unwanted advances, not ignite passion. Imagine the awkwardness of receiving an onion as a love token. Canine Casanova. Not just humans seek love potions. In some parts of the world, ground rhinoceros horn was believed to be a powerful aphrodisiac, leading to a devastating decline in rhino populations. Thankfully, science has debunked this myth, and conservation efforts are working to protect these majestic creatures. In the realm of aphrodisiacs, there are also pharmacological enhancers, but are they fact or fiction? This question takes us on a journey into the world of science-based libido boosters. A notable example is sildenafil, a compound that since its introduction in the late 90s has changed the landscape of sexual health. This little blue pill works by enhancing blood flow, leading to physiological arousal. Scientific evidence supports its effectiveness, but it's important to remember that it's not without potential side effects, including headaches and impaired vision. It's also crucial to acknowledge that while these enhancers can yield tangible results, they're not magic bullets. Their efficacy often relies on a complex interplay of psychological and physical factors. This underscores the importance of consulting with a healthcare provider before embarking on their use. Pharmacological enhancers can be effective, but they should be used responsibly and under the guidance of a healthcare provider. Before we go, let's look at the history of Valentine's Day. It's a day filled with chocolates, roses, and awkward middle school dances, but its history is far more intriguing than its modern Hallmark card veneer. Forget Claudius II and secret weddings, which might be apocryphal anyway. The roots of February 14th's romance stretch back even further. Some say it's linked to a raucous Roman fertility festival called Lupercalia, while others point to the medieval belief that birds chose their mates on this day. Either way, it wasn't until the 14th and 15th centuries that love poems and handwritten notes, the precursors to our modern Valentines, started popping up. Fast forward to the 18th century, and voila! Mass-produced love cards and romantic gestures became the norm, solidifying Valentine's Day as the celebration of love we know today. As we close the book on love and aphrodisiacs, remember, science might not have all the answers to love's mysteries, but it can help us understand the complex dance of hormones, emotions, and cultural influences. What matters most on Valentine's Day, or any day really, is genuine connection and appreciation. Like this video and subscribe to Sci Sips so you can stay connected to the latest science we explore.